Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin yesterday came to 70,000, and then there was news that the US government moved $2 billion worth of Bitcoin, and we dropped to 66,000. So $3,400 drop, feeding greed and fear and greed index 67, funding fee still 1%, price 66. You can get this chart's Bitcoin price.live. There's now 775 live viewers. Crypto market cap 2.5 trillion. And people chatting, volume still quite strong, but a big drop from that 70k. We touched 70k and then just fell to 66,000 quite quickly after that. Next 4 hours after that, it just dropped, bounce. And that looks like a higher high with strong volume. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to do technical analysis. Then I'm going to read your messages and answer some of your questions. And I'm going to pick the winner from yesterday for $100. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And yesterday, world was up. Tesla was up 5.6%. Everyone, big congratulations to Tesla holders. We were buying it at 140. Bitcoin 66,700. Big drop off that 70k, but still not the end of the first wave apparently. Doesn't look like this first wave, Elliott wave, is finished. Let's go on to the weekly. We always start off, as I teach you in the Crypto Master course, start off on the weekly time frames. You can see we're still trending up this yellow trend line that Bitcoin's been on all year. You can see it first touched it back in September 2023. So for 1 year, we've been traveling up this yellow trend line. It broke and we bounced back through it. Let's clean up some unnecessary lines. I would say, let's... Okay, clean up some unnecessary lines. So now we're coming to a point, you can see where the 1 year trend line, this 1 year trend line meets this channel. And you can see right now they're coming to a point here. Bitcoin is coming to a big moment. Let's go closer on the, actually, Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy, still a blue buy. It fired it back in 2023 at $20,000. You get it in the Crypto Master course. Bitcoin Indicator Bot also fired a buy, did not yet fire a sell. Stochastic still heading up with volume on the week. Let's go into the daily. And I asked yesterday for $100 in the comment section. What candle is this? This is it's not, I wouldn't say it can be considered a bullish dragonfly candle, but it's more of a hammer candle. Dragonfly, you would normally find on the bottom of a, like something like this. This would be considered a dragonfly doji, where the market has been dropping and then it turns. So you can see it also here. This is a dragonfly doji where the candle goes down, comes back up, and finishes the week up. So you can see here on that week, it was a reversal pattern. That doji marked the bottom at 15k before it turned up. This one isn't at the bottom. This one's near the top. This is a bullish hammer candle. I would say this is a bullish hammer candle. It's not a reversal candle. It's just showing that there is strong buying, there's strong bullishness on Bitcoin. So bullish hammer candle would be the answer for yesterday's question. I'm going to pick from the comments soon. My trade from yesterday activated, everyone. It came down, actually, we came down to 66,360 and my trade 66,323. It missed it by $40. 66,360. My trade open was 66,323. Missed it. Just missed it. Okay, but this pattern is important now. What's forming on Bitcoin that I talked about. First, we're on the new Elliott wave count, first impulse. I am assuming the second corrective wave starts now. But let's see, because not much of a pullback at all on the, so it's not a first impulse wave should have a very big pullback like the old one we did back in September of last year. That was the first impulse, and then we had first impulse to 45k and we pulled back to 38k. So it was like, it's quite a big drop from there. Here we first impulse, we haven't pulled back at all yet. Stochastic is coming down on the daily, volume is increasing. Now, what this pattern here is showing, where we've got this channel that Bitcoin's been in, 72k, 56k, 72k, and this 1 year trend line, they're creating a pattern. They're creating this triangle. You see? They're creating a pattern. This is a rising triangle. It's a rising triangle, a bullish pattern, everyone. So the price keeps rising, keeps hitting the top, and then it breaks out, and it breaks out the base of the triangle. So this is a rising triangle that's forming on Bitcoin, and we break out the base of the triangle. This 1 year trend line plus this pattern, that this resistance is creating this triangle, which if it breaks out here, target would be $100,000 for Bitcoin, 99,000. A great bullish pattern. Let's go closer onto the 4 hourly. Almost came down to activate my trade. If you haven't yet activated a trade yet, missed it yesterday, I would take it from the next level of strong support, because Bitcoin is having a pullback on this news that the U.S. government moved $40,000 worth, 40,000 Bitcoin worth $2 billion. 10,000 Bitcoin lots were moved or something like this. So I'd set the trade at 63,000. Actually, no, I'll do it on a stronger support here. Here, tight stop loss 64,849, stop loss 64,000, and take profit 114,000. Risk the final wave. Risk to reward ratio 59 times, risking $838 to make $50,000 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $500,000. Now, how does that work? So when I open the trade, so say here, I open the trade at 64,849. The stop loss is at 64,000, so I only risk $800 per Bitcoin. So I risk $838 per Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin activates at 64,800 and then heads up to 114,000, I'll make $50,000. So I'm risking $800 to make $50,000 with no leverage per Bitcoin. With 10x leverage, I'll be $500,000. So that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Yeah, 64,849. I'm going to show you my trades now, everyone. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you see me do, under the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a $30,000 bonus if you use this link and meet their trading requirements. It's my favorite exchange. If you've been trading and the exchanges are dodgy, or you're worried about security, or you lost money on exchanges, Bybit's been here. I've been trading on it for 5 years. It's been here since 2018, so around 6 years, and it's my favorite exchange and second biggest for derivatives. Take the crypto master course to learn all this. The price is $333 for the course, and then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you in the Telegram and a few hundred of you online. And if you're thinking, is the course worth it? Bought your course a few months back, took some profits, bought a new Harley Davidson Road King. In the process of buying $2 million house from your videos. Thank you, James. Your course is amazing. I'm buying a villa in Punta Cana, made $500,000 profits in a year. And you can just see many comments like this from people and their gains, which is beautiful. Now, my trades over on Bybit, 584 my account. Yesterday, we hit 597, and then it pulled back on this Bitcoin dump, 597. In the last month, from 513 was the low to 611 was the high to 584. So still up on the month, around $64,000. My Bitcoin trade, $32,900 in the profits. It was yesterday, it was sitting at $40,000 in the profits at 70K, but we took quite a big drop right now on Bitcoin from 70,000 down to 66,000. The funding fee right now is still for the long, so I'm still paying for this trade. $32,000 in profits, this 584 in this account. And you can see my asset breakdown. I'm holding MCRT 14%, USDT, Doge, Bitcoin 17%, Doge 10%, Uni 9. Now I'm going to read your comments and choose a winner. So this is yesterday's comment. It's a hammer candlestick. It signifies a bullish momentum. Correct. A dragonfly doji, lower low shadow. It's a bullish. Hello, Crypto Guru. I've been watching your video since 2021. I love your TA, but I don't understand how you can make profit of 53 times if your market entry was at 66,000 and take profit at 98,000 without leverage. That's only a 50% increase. Yes, but compared to your risk. So, for example, as I explained just now, so this trade, 64,849, the stop loss is 64. So on this Bitcoin trade, I would only risk $838 per Bitcoin on the open. So if the trade opens at 64,849 and I buy one Bitcoin at 64,849 and I set the stop loss at 64,000, that means the trade on that one Bitcoin will automatically close at 64,000. So I risk $800 on that Bitcoin. But if the trade goes up from there, from 64 to my target of 115, I'll make $50,000 for that trade. So I risk $800 to make $50,000 with no leverage. That's how to explain it. Thank you for the question, Jenkins. What do you think about Crypto.com? I'm not following them so much. I use Bybit card, debit card, and Bybit debit card, everyone, I highly recommend you check it out. So in this account, 584, you have to take into account, I've been spending from this account. So while I've been making these videos, while I've been making gains on my trades, I've been spending my money with my Bybit debit card. So you can go here and you go more, and then you go card, and you can see my Bybit debit card. And this is connected to my account. So you can see here, I've auto cashback. I've got $522 US dollars in cashback. In spending power is 8,700 euro, which just takes the spending power from my funding fee, this funding account. So I've got funding account, spot, derivatives, right? And it takes that spending power from my funding account. So I can just move more money in there. So for example, if I want to transfer from spot to funding another $5,000, now my spending amount on my card, so I transferred from spot to funding, right? So now there's $15,000 in here. And if we go to my card now will have more to spend. So we go to my card. I've got points of, again, $522 from cashbacks. Now I've got 13,390 euro to spend, you see? And this is my card. Daily card spend limit. So this year on my card, I've spent so far 15,000 euros from this card. And I've withdrawn from the ATM 800 euros. But I've withdrawn... Yeah, so I've spent $15,000 this year from this card and I've used peer-to-peer. While I'm spending from this, while I'm making trades and stuff, I'm spending from this card. And Bybit is giving a special promo for their cards right now. If you sign up with my link and my affiliate code, you get $1,000. When you sign up to a Bybit card, you get a free $1,000. So if you sign up to that Bybit card, you get a free $1,000. So make sure you use the affiliate link, which you see down below in the videos, the affiliate link here. Under the video, you can see the link to Bybit. Use that link and you get, it's this one, buy alts, this blue link, Bybit $30,000 bonus. You get $1,000 in your card if you sign up for the card. So make sure you do that, everyone, which is beautiful. And join us in the Telegram. There's 109 of you online right now. Someone who is success, guys, I won't contact you and ask you for money. They're fake accounts. Anyone contacting you ask for money is a scammer. So just be very careful. And you can see everyone chatting in here. And this is my X. You can follow on X. I've got 85,500 followers. Trump saying that people calling Bitcoin knew about inflation. Grayscales yesterday. Why is the Ethereum going down while the Ethereum ETF opened? Grayscale sold $209 million of Ethereum into the market. So they're controlling it. Crypto now has the #1 super PAC in the US with over 200 million raised. So Fair Shake PAC is the crypto PAC. It's got 209 million raised as a super PAC. Next is Make America Great Again, which is crazy. Fair Shake Crypto now surpasses the biggest Republican Democrat super PACs, Make America Great Again, and Senate majority. So crypto market has the strongest super PAC now in the US government. US government sends $2 billion worth of Bitcoin to a new address, and that's what dropped the market, everyone. So you can just see the things that I post. Major progress on Magicraft. This is the CEO Muxit from Magicraft, CEO and head of legal. You can follow him there. The functionality required to equip new skills and weapons is ready, and it's coming soon to the Magicraft game where you can play to earn money. So it changes weapons. So there's going to be new weapon selections in the game. And remember, you're going to be able to use your NFTs. And this is more updates from the market about the team, from what they're building. And you can just, Tesla is back to being one of the top 10 stocks in the world. Big congratulations. It was at one point up 6% yesterday. We were buying down here. This was me buying on the 22nd of April at 141. I bought the exact bottom, adding more into Tesla here. This was at 141 when I bought more. Now we're back to 233, which is beautiful. We reached 270 as well. Big congratulations, everyone. Bitcoin hit 70K yesterday as well before that $2 billion moved. Guys, I'm going to leave it at that because it's quite a long video. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let me know any questions down below. Let me know which countries you're from with your flags, and let me know any tickers you'd like me to analyze. And join us on bitcoinprice.live. There's now 777 of you online right now watching this. You can set it up on your TV and watch the charts. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.